OMG Roofing Products presents the PowerGrip Universal 7. The PowerGrip Universal 7 can eliminate ballast from commercial roofs with fast and easy installation for a secure, watertight connection where loads are transferred to the structural deck where they belong. It's very strong, with large amounts of pound force in tensile strength, shear strength, and compressive strength. PowerGrip Universal 7 is compatible with most commercial roofing systems. Installation is fast and easy. The membrane must be clean and free of dirt and debris before beginning the installation. Mark the locations where the PGU7 units will be installed. Place the base ring with the foam side down and secure to the roof with the appropriate OMG fastener. Fastener should be installed in a crisscross pattern into the top flute of the structural deck. Do not tighten until all screws are installed. Then tighten the screws. Make sure the foam waterproofing seal compresses evenly around the entire base ring. Align the bolt holes in the cover plate with those in the base plate. Mark the cover plate and membrane to help realign the cover plate during the final installation step. Apply a continuous, unbroken 3/8 inch bead of recommended water block sealant to the underside of the top plate's flange. Realign the plate with the marks you made earlier. Secure the cover plate. Do not tighten. Complete the assembly by torquing the cap screws in a crisscross pattern to between 60 and 70 inch-pounds. Sealant should squeeze out evenly from around the perimeter of the cover plate. Congratulations, you have now installed one of the strongest anchors in the industry. The PowerGrip Universal 7 is compatible with any type of commercial roofing system, can eliminate ballast from commercial roofs, and has fast and easy installation for a secure connection. All loads are transferred to the structural deck, where they belong, with large amounts of pound force strength in tensile, shear, and compressive. The PowerGrip Universal 7 from OMG Roofing Products.